Now, while Prime Minister will be filing his nomination in Varanasi, top Congress leaders will also be in battleground Uttar Pradesh. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge will be holding election rallies in Maharajganj and Basgaon. Rahul Gandhi will be in Jhansi and Priyanka Gandhi will be seen in family bastions of Rai Bareli and Amethi. Meanwhile, days after former Congress chief Rahul Gandhi challenged the BJP for an open debate, BJP MP and Youth Wing Chief Tejasvi Surya wrote back to Rahul Gandhi accepting the challenge. He said the BJYM appreciated Rahul Gandhi's willingness to engage in discussions and debates on critical governance issues. Surya also nominated Abhinav Prakash, National Vice President of the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, as the BJYM's representative for the upcoming debate. Viewers, here's the context to the debate challenge politics. Well, let's tell you. A few days back, some notable people made an interesting pitch for a one-on-one presidential-style debate for the Lok Sabha polls, which happens in the United States. Now, a senior newspaper editor and two well-known retired judges proposed such a debate on an unbiased and non-commercial platform so the people of India can get a full perspective on the various issues of the two leaders. That will be the Rahul Gandhi from the Congress and the Prime Minister Modi from the Bharatiya Janata Party, as urged by the letter. Now, they wrote to the Prime Minister and also Rahul Gandhi, inviting them. This invite was eagerly accepted by Rahul Gandhi, who was asked about it in Lucknow. The BJP, in response, asked why should a person who doesn't have the courage to face an ordinary BJP Karyakarta get the privilege of debating against PM Modi. But let's listen into what Rahul Gandhi had said while accepting the debate idea against the Prime Minister.
मैं 100% किसी से भी डिबेट करने को तैयार हूं, प्रधानमंत्री से। मगर मैं प्रधानमंत्री को जानता हूं, प्रधानमंत्री मुझसे डिबेट नहीं करेंगे।
Now, viewers, while the world's largest election is on in phase 4, where 96 seats went to vote, voter turnout of nearly 67.25% was recorded until 11:45 p.m. yesterday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, on one hand, has declared that the NDA is honing in on the target of 400 par. On the other hand, the opposition has a totally different prediction. For example, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, who carried out his first rally in UP's Rai Bareli, a seat where his sister has been holding fort on his behalf ever since he filed his nomination there on May 3, said that Modi used to talk of 400 par, but now he doesn't even mention 150. So not only this, addressing a rally in Jharkhand's Hazaribagh, Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge raised Congress's poll pitch and said the BJP is misleading people as they are losing the polls this time. Even Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav also went up in arms and predicted 00 for double engine.
पहले मोदी जी 400 सीट की बात करते थे, 400 पार, अब 150 भी नहीं बोल रहे। मैं आपको एक बात की गारंटी दे रहा हूं, रायबरेली की जनता लिख लो, जून 4 को नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान का प्रधानमंत्री नहीं होगा। पहले मोदी जी 400 सीट की बात करते थे, 400 पार, अब 150 भी नहीं बोल रहे। मैं आपको एक बात की गारंटी दे रहा हूं, रायबरेली की जनता लिख लो, जून 4 को नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान का प्रधानमंत्री नहीं होगा।
Now, BJP is also on all guns blazing mode at the INDI bloc. Former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan branded INDI bloc immature, nervous, dangerous and ignorant. Even Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma advocated for PM Modi's leadership in Punjab and predicted huge transformation in polls.